Welcome to Budapest! That's delicious.
I want a bite.
No. So we're here at the Great Synagogue, or the Dohány Street Synagogue. It's the second largest synagogue in the world behind Temple Emmanuel, next to Central Park in New York. And it's amazing, it's so pretty. They give you tours, it's included with the ticket price. And to go in, just gotta wear the kippah. They give tours in lots of different languages. Back at the synagogue now, and there's lots of memorials and statues that remember victims and heroes who saved Jewish people here. It's really cool. On this amazing tree here, all of the leaves are names of Jewish people who died here in Budapest, or at least lived in Budapest and then died during the Holocaust. That's the Hungarian word for remember.
Tablet saved at least one Jewish person, and Sir Nicholas Winton is an Englishman, and there's actually an English movie made about him, but he actually saved 669 little Jewish children.
Now, normally synagogues aren't allowed to have cemeteries right next to them, but this is the only exception in the world. It's because all of these people were killed here at the synagogue, and it was impossible to move them to a cemetery that was 20 kilometers away. Because it was during the war. Tickets are about $4,500 foreign, which is about $15 US. Everything is included, so going into the synagogue, into the museum, around the cemetery,
a tour.
Yeah. What do you think though?
It was a lot of money for I think what you get. It was a really cool synagogue to see, I think.
And it's interesting. They talk about the Jewish religion, the history of the building, the history of the area here and the Jewish ghetto. So it is interesting.
And they tell a lot of stories about the Jewish people in Hungary and what happened during the Holocaust and things like that. And so you do get a lot of that. I don't know, it just seemed like a really steep price.
Yeah.
But
if you're into the history, go for it. If you're into it just to see the synagogue, probably not.
Just know that it's, you know, about 15 USD.
Yeah. So we're here at the Drum Cafe, getting some traditional Hungarian food. I've got beef goulash and rice.
I have a beef goulash Budapest. It's got little dumplings in it.
Oh.
And beef goulash. Let's see. That's delicious. Really savory. Kai likes it too.
Oh yeah, mine's really good too. Got lots of sauce, mixed in with the rice. That meat just falls off the bone. There's no bone, it's just tender. It was really good. I like it. It's a great place. Quick service, cheap food, great. So what's this big old building behind us?
So this is the Central Market Hall, and it has 3 floors of market to it.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
Holy crap, it's huge. What are we looking for, East?
Whatever we can find.
Traditional Hungarian things. There's a lot of paprika here. Oh, paprika. These are so cute. So cute. Also lots of meats. That's all meat. So downstairs was lots of food. Upstairs seems to be lots of handbags and cloth and fabric and trinkets and fun stuff. cool.
Really pretty.
Check out the pawns. They look like
Those
real
are
soldiers. This looks like a fun game. Anybody in the comments want to tell us what this is? I don't know, but that looks delicious. I don't know what these are, but they look delicious, so we're gonna get them. The minimum purchase is 100 grams, so we got a lot.
What is it called?
Borayu. I'm butchering it. Borayu? It's close enough. It's like a Hungarian Kit Kat, but we'll see.
And?
It is. It's got hazelnut inside though. I was thinking it would be more chocolate. This is delicious.
I want a bite.
No.
Oh. Oh.
That was really good. Get these. And what were these called? We have no idea.
But it smells like chocolate.
Something inside?
Oh, they look good. I like this one. It's like pure chocolate. It's really light though.
Okay.
Like really light and fluffy.
Oh, it's good. It's like a wafer with a lot of chocolate in there. It's really good. Well done, Hungary. These are good sweets. By the way, 100 grams, 175 forint. That's like 60 cents. Gotta get that gram.
I think it's a cherry strudel.
Apparently Hungary's known for their sour cherry. Is that right?
It seems like.
Is that the same thing?
Good.
Is that good?
That filling's really good. Like cherry pies, you know how you get all the goop and then some cherries?
Mm-hmm.
This is like all cherry, no goop.
Really? Yeah, it tastes like one of those, like the apple pies that you get at McDonald's, you know? They come in the sleeve. But better.
That's your comparison?
I didn't think it was going to be as good as it is. So, nice choice. So you have these 2 floors in here, and then there's also a downstairs. We're going to go downstairs.
Got an Aldi.
You've never been in an Aldi? It's a grocery store. Yep, so if you need some snacks, you can get them there. From the market, we're just going to wander through town now. Pirate Candy Shop. See what treasures are in here. The ice cream cones. Good. Smelled like you were breathing straight sugar.
Armor in
What?
there.
Oh yeah. You know, no big deal. Just a whole suit of armor. That's cool looking. These are all hand drawn. It's amazing. Check the link down below because you should check out the shop. Let's go check out a church. Look for Stations of the Cross. They're so great. We're heading into Molnár's now to get ourselves a chimney cake. Hey there. Can you see the steam on that thing?
It is so hot on my hand. Like you can't hold it here, you have to hold it here.
So what is a chimney cake on?
Cake in the shape of a chimney.
And then they roll it in lots of different things. We got it in cinnamon, you can do it in chocolate, walnuts, almonds.
Sugar,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're excited to use this thing once it cools down a little bit.
Oh, it's now hard on the, oh, it's like caramelized on the outside. So that didn't peel apart like I thought it would. There
It's
we
just
go.
breaking. Oh.
It's so soft on the inside and so crispy on the outside. Really, it tastes good.
It's like a cinnamony, crunchy shell around really good soft bread. That's good. Eat these. That was a fun little wandering street there.
It's a busy shopping street. If you're looking for all your pirate candy shop stores, your Zara's, your H&M's, your shoe stores.
Basically anything that you want to go shopping for.
Yeah.
It is on this street. So we're gonna go check out the St. Stephen's Basilica now. Be quiet, bud. My goodness, Budapest is fantastic. Are we going swimming, Kai?